In this video, we're gonna learn how to climb the pole. In this series, we will learn a combo using the pole climb and the pole sit on the static pole and then on a spinning pole. First, let's take a look at the full sequence. Let's take a look at the part we are working on now. You need to understand the knee grip in order to be able to climb. So I will just place my hand. Doesn't matter which side, so just that my hand holds the pole. Okay, so my first leg is going to go right on the pole. And I'm going to internally rotate my hips in order to press against the pole with my knee. Now, I really want to show you what I mean by the knee grip. Okay, you really want to place the pole right here. See, this is my knee bone, and I want to go right here behind the knee bone. So, let's get back on the pole. Let's place my hand. Okay, with my hand, I really want to press the pole into the floor. So I'm going to press down using my shoulder blades. First leg is going to go behind the pole. And I'm going to internally rotate that hip to press against the pole. Now, I want to have my knee as high as possible. That's important. I want to have my knee as high as possible. And with my bum, I'm just going to drop it on my heel. This way, I can lift the other leg, place it in front. See, my foot is not on the pole. I really want to have my calf on the pole. And my other knee is placed so that it's pressing against the pole. So, this way, I can just press up with my knees. So let me show you what I mean by internally rotating my hips. Okay, so my knee is slightly bent, and then with my hip I'm gonna internally rotate so that both of my knees are pressing together. Like when you want to go pee, okay? I call it the pee-pee girl because you're really pressing it together to hold the pole. So let's do a little series of 8 up and down to practice the knee grip and to get some strength in our back. So placing my leg behind, pressing the knee against the pole, placing the other leg in front, pressing the other knee against the pole, okay, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This was on one side. So, in order to really work on the pole and work on both sides, you need to do the other side. So, my leg goes back first. I'm going to use my hands. I'm going to place the other leg in front and let's do it. 8, 7, come on, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's see what the hand can do, okay? So, first of all, I'm going to place my top hand up high. As you see, my elbow is stretched. So I really want to hang in that arm. Roll my shoulder back and down so that I can press down with my shoulder blades. And now I'm going to place my elbow push grip using the pole about nose height and placing it on the pole. And I want to cross so that I can be on the outside of my elbow. So let's see. I really want you to see what's going on here. So the pole is going to run from my wrist along my forearm all the way to the outside of my elbow in order to really block the pole. So knee height along my forearm to the outside of my elbow. If you want to see if it works, you can just start pressing all your body. Move your leg back, press all your body against the pole. It should block. We're going to try the other hand. Same thing. Nose height. Get it all the way down to the outside of your elbow. Move your leg back. And from there, allow your body to press. It should block. Okay? If it's not blocking, just make sure you really want to hit that part here. So, top hand, up high. Bottom hand, but nose, mouth height. And I want to see what's going to lift me off the ground. It's really just my back muscle. So I'm going to use my shoulder blades to press, boom. This way I can bring my knee on the pole. If you would like, okay, you can bring one knee first. Get that grip. Get your elbow. Press the other leg. Now, in order to move from there, I really want to press all my body weight back. So I'm going to remove the bottom hand and push back. This hand comes up. I stay sitting so I can move the other elbow right here. Bring my leg up. Remove the bottom arm. And I can keep going, changing hands all the way up to the pole. So, if you want, you can also try, just place your leg and sit. Keep your leg on the floor. So you can try. Here, remove your hand. Push back. All the way up. Move this hand. So, we nailed it on one side. We're going to do it from the other side. So, top hand. So I'm going to start with my other arm, just to be able to move on both sides of the pole. Bottom hand, on my elbow. Top hand, hanging, pressing, bringing my knee onto the pole. Removing my bottom hand, pushing up, pressing with my elbow, moving my legs. Tuck it in. And if you have any questions, please ask them in the comment. And if you like the content of this video, subscribe to my channel and give it a little like.